Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you type your question into your Perplexity AI, hit enter and then you wait and even more waiting. The thinking animation just sit there, spinning endlessly. What should take a few seconds is taking 30 seconds or even longer. Your workflow grinds to a halt. So response times are one of the most common complaints about AI platforms. And Perplexity is no exception. But here's the thing, so responses aren't always Perplexity's fault. Sometimes the issue is on your end. A cluttered browser's cache, a VPN causing routing delays, or even a conversation that's gotten too long and is bogging down the system. According to Perplexity's official help center, technical issues such as slowness in the product usually resolve within 30 minutes to a few hours. But why wait when you can try several fixes yourself? So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually fix slow response times in this AI fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, go and check Perplexity server status. Before doing anything else, check if the issue is on the Perplexity's end. Go through status.perplexity.com to see if there are any active incidents. Then, try to hard refresh your browser, clear any long conversations, disable VPN temporarily, and also try to clear browser's cache and cookies. If you have other extensions, especially ad blockers, make sure to basically delete them for now. And that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.